Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the Ani Curls and I am back with another video. So today is a Shea Moisture wash day. So we're going to be using two of my little favorite samplers and then this new deep conditioner I'm trying. So we're just going to start by washing my hair. So of course you want to rinse your hair first. Just like any normal person would shampoo their hair, you want to rinse them first. And y'all, I promise I am not high. I am just so freaking sleepy. Work be killing me. School be killing me. I'm just tired as ever, okay? Anyways, so you just want to start by shampooing your hair. And I shampoo my hair, I think normally. I don't do anything special. It just starts with like the roots and the edges and then work my way around and in between my hair. The only thing that I make sure that I do is make sure that every strand of my hair is shampooed and my scalp is also shampooed. The goal is fresh, clean hair. So yeah, so we just going first, put the shampoo on your hair, work it through. Of course, the first time you put the shampoo in your hair, it's going to be a little tougher. You're going to have to use more shampoo. But then once you rinse and repeat, it'll be much easier for you to spread the shampoo. And I'm not necessarily detangling right now. I'm just making sure that the product is on every strand of my hair. So yeah, I'm separating a little bit, but I'm not going to detangle just yet. Look at my face. I am not in the mood for it today, y'all. So again, just rinsing and repeating. I'm gonna do this probably like 3 times just because my hair, it's been a while since I washed it and my hair is just feeling really dirty. So I want to make sure that it's super clean once I finish washing it. And clean hair causes for easy styling, and then it also just makes your scalp feel better. It doesn't feel out itchy and stuff. So you want to make sure that you're cleaning your hair for real. Curls for the girls, honey. Curls for the girls. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I love the rub, or whatever they said. Look how much easier the shampoo is spreading after a couple washes. Look at that. Hair is getting clean. Alrighty, conditioner time. Now the conditioner should be super easy to put on your hair once you shampoo. I would say conditioning my hair is my favorite part, but then I like to shampoo my hair too because I like how my hair feel when it's clean. So really, I just like the whole process of wash day, just having fresh, clean hair. It's like having fresh, clean sheets. All right, once you put the conditioner on, you just want to put your hair in a ponytail and then just let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, and we back. Deep conditioner time. So this is my first time trying this deep conditioner. It smells okay. Like, I mean, it's a deep conditioner. But we'll see how it is on my hair. So pay attention, y'all. Alrighty, and y'all already know how this go. We going section for section. We gonna put the product on, and then we gonna put my hair in twists and let the deep conditioner sit. So check this out, y'all. And now we're going to finally start detangling the hair. So once we put them into sections, each part that we put the deep conditioner on, we're actually going to detangle. And then put it into a twist. Because like once the hair is wet, it's super easy to detangle. So there's no reason to be detangling your hair through each step. Unless you have thicker hair, which requires that, or hair that like easily mats or tangles, then yeah, of course you want to detangle your hair through every section. But my hair doesn't. Like once my hair gets wet, I could just run my fingers through it. So that's basically what I'm going to do. Run my fingers through, do some finger detangling, and then put them in twists. Okay, all done.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, so once the deep conditioner has set for at least about 30 minutes to so many hours, you can go ahead and take the twist down and you're just gonna rinse them out once you take them out. Because all you're doing is just rinsing the product out. If you want, you could detangle again, but you don't really need to because you already detangled. Look at the fresh and clean hair. Such a difference from the beginning of this video. Oh my gosh. But we are all done. I am just going to put my hair in a ponytail and get it ready to do tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe.